Magandang umaga, fam. So, nandito kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa Big Dipper. So, today, the gang is going to the Big Dip with my boy, ate, Isip, and mommy. So, papasok na kami sa kanilang legendary door. Isa to sa mga institution na sa Iligan. Since 1983, nandito na to. Used to be a big place. Dito daw pupunta lahat para manood ng mga sporting events and stuff. Kita nyo naman, since 1983.
What else? What's yours? Lumpia?
Yes. What did he say?
Fried rice, beef steak, shrimp, beef steak, lumpiang Shanghai, fried rice ulit, and meatballs. Tell me. Boom, ubos. Sobrang sarap. Feel mo talaga yung pagiging old ng place pero cool. Babalik kami ulit. Big Dipper. Maraming salamat. Like and share.